Last Friday, a powerful earthquake and tsunami struck the Indonesian island of Sulawesi, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Tens of thousands of homes have been destroyed and entire communities have been decimated. More than 1,300 people are confirmed dead and 200,000 survivors are in urgent need of humanitarian assistance. It's impossible not to be moved by the desperate images in news reports from the region. The Disasters Emergency Committee in Wales are working with the Indonesian authorities to provide food, clean water, first aid and shelter, as well as helping survivors to cope with the trauma of the last few days. As the full scale of the devastation unfolds, they are ready to do even more to help communities devastated by this disaster to rebuild their lives. Your support is urgently needed. If you can donate, please visit dec.org.uk, or to donate £5, text HELPU, HELPU to 70000. Wales may be a small nation, but we have a lot of heart. Please, give what you can. Diolch.